How to use Trello boards on phone for video planning. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how you can use Trello boards on your mobile phone for video planning. So before we begin, if you're new here, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. First of all, make sure that you have the app. You can download it from your Google Play Store. And yeah, after you do that, open it up. After you open it up, make sure you're logged in into your account. Now let's begin. The first step will be setting up your board. So if you tap on create board option right here, you can now name your board. So let's say I'll just add video planning, and you can change everything else if you want. I'll just tap on create board. And after you do that, you can now start adding list. So in list, you can create columns like ideas, to do, scripting, and editing, and many more things. So let's just write ideas, and you can now add ideas like maybe shoot in the sunset. You can add more like in the road, and so on and on. You can create more lists such as maybe to-do list, and now you can add what you need to do. So you can create your need to do like filming, editing, and again publishing, and many more. So after you're done with each, you can then simply press on it to give it a tick mark. And what you'll have more is labels. So I'll just leave this at that. Tap on this icon by naming the card. Now this is ready. Now what I can do here is I can zoom out and zoom in as I want as well. You can also see the complete ones and non-complete ones. So this is what you can do in a board. You can also create cards. If you head over to the inbox section, you can just simply add cards and checklists in here. If you simply start adding cards, so I'll just write script practice and filming, editing, and publishing. So you can do this and you can just let it be. It's much more easier and simpler here, not the complex idea board and everything. You can just keep on just giving it the to do tick mark. And yeah, that's how you use it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.